Hey everyone, it's Maisie from Maisie's Meals. Today I'm going to show you how to make different kinds of smoothies or drinks for your breakfast or any time of the day. Now summer is coming, so we need some juice and liquid in our system, and I think these smoothies are gonna do it for you. So hope you like them. If you do, please let me know, comment, and also put a picture of it on Instagram, tag me on it. I love to see what your creations are too. Thank you for watching, and let's get started. Smoothie that we're making is going to be mango, spinach, yogurt, and chia seed. I start with some almond milk. I used half a cup almond milk, half a cup frozen mango, half a cup spinach, 1 tablespoon chia seed, and 1/4 cup of yogurt. I used Greek yogurt. It's vanilla flavored Greek yogurt. You could use vegan and plant-based yogurt also. And then this is what we got. So refreshing and good. The next one is going to be frozen berries. I used 1 cup of frozen berries. It has blueberries, raspberries, blackberries in it. It's all good antioxidant, and I buy my fruit, as you can see, frozen, because frozen fruit is good because they pick the fruit exactly when it's ripe, and then they lock all the nutrition and minerals in the bag, and it's really good, and it's easy to use it for smoothies especially. And then I used 1 small banana, half a cup of almond milk. You can put more than half a cup depending how thick or thin you want your smoothie. And also you could use any other liquid of your preference, like coconut milk, and any plant-based milk or water. I also put a scoop of protein powder. I used a vegan style organic protein powder. Protein is good in smoothie and for breakfast because it fills our tummy up really good, and it's really good for us. And this is what we got. I think it's a little bit small, but it's okay. And the next one is going to be almond milk again, and then some mango, frozen mango, half avocado, and then spinach. And I used about 2 teaspoons of honey. And then we're gonna blend this one too, and it's going to be really, really good. This is also full of nutrition, full of good fat, so it's good for us. So this one is going to be also very good. Half a cup of almond milk, half a cup of frozen mixed fruit. It has pineapple, peaches, strawberries, and then I put some bananas in there, and we're going to blend that just like so, and it's going to be so amazing. Very good and very light, and it's also full of nutrition. And then we're gonna pour that in a glass also, and then enjoy it. The last one is going to be almond milk again, and some mango, some bananas, and then some honey, and that's it. It's so good, simple, and very tasty. This one is my kids' favorite and my favorite too. It's very simple to make, and hope you all are going to make some of these smoothies for you and enjoy them too in this hot summer time. I hope you liked everything that we made for you today. All the smoothies are very healthy, good for the summer heat, so it's gonna make you very refreshed and good feel about yourself also. And let's enjoy this, and then hope you like it, and comment and like on my Instagram. And if you made it again, please let me know. And cheers.
Cheers.
Mm. Mm, 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 mm.